Hello, what we have here today is a 1974 Honda CB750. This bike's not all stock, but fairly original. A lot of cosmetics I've changed. Just got done building this bike. It ran nice, but did a lot of cosmetics to it. Let's start from the front all the way to the back. The very first thing, I put brand new tires on it, front and rear. This is a brand new old stock Honda fender. Expensive item. I rebuilt the front caliper. I polished the fork legs. It's a halogen seal beam, brand new headlight ring, painted the headlight bucket, put brand new fork ears on it, painted them, brand new turn signals as well as the stems. I put the brand new chrome bezels on the gauges. It's a nice touch to the bike. And working our way here, all new cables. So the clutch cable's new, the master cylinder's new, the hoses, top and bottom, as well as the boot. New controls, right and left. New levers, new grips, new bar end mirrors. Working our way down this side of the bike, new paint. I just painted the stripe on with a decal and cleared over everything. It looks very nice. Brand new Honda emblems, new old stock. Brand new gas cap, new old stock. Brand new tank trim. Brand new ignition, as well as the seat lock. They're keyed separately, but they're brand new. Brand new 4x4 pipes. These pipes are shorties, but they do have baffles in them, so they're not real loud. And they really look good to the bike. And I did a lot of polishing of the side cases and the valve cover, and as I mentioned, the fork ear legs. So we may as well go down this side of the bike. The side covers, brand new emblems, all the Honda emblem, everything. We have I painted the airbox with this nice gray matte paint. The carburetors have been gone through and cleaned. There's a brand new air filter in there as well. Brand new foot peg rubbers, shifter rubber. Working our way back here, the seat's been reupholstered professionally. Nice job to it, the original seat pan. And again, new lock here. And you can see I painted the seat pan, and it has a new battery in it with the battery straps, brand new. Brand new grab handle here. The shocks are nice chrome. I didn't replace those, but they're nice clean shocks. The chain guard I painted it with the, as well as the frame, and the chain guard has been painted with the acrylic urethane with hardener in it. So it's a very nice, beautiful paint job on the frame. And there you are there. The fender's in very nice shape. The chrome's, near perfect. Brand new rear brackets with turn signals. Brand new chain guard, or not chain guard, but chain adjusters. Brand new with bolts and everything, all brand new. Brand new chain. Brand new tail light bracket. That's an aftermarket, reproduction I should say. Very nice, beautiful quality. Brand new tail light lens. Working our way around, as I mentioned. The tires are new. I polished the brake drum up a little bit. The wheels are fair. They're not perfect, but they're fair. Again, the shocks are in very nice chrome. Nice passenger pegs. Working our way down this way, again, foot rubbers. I painted the brake lever. I put this points cover on. It just looked good to the bike. It's an aftermarket, polished top end here. And I think I summarized everything. Brand new throttle cables. We'll have a description written also with all those things I just touched base on. But this bike starts easily and runs really well, which I'll show you. We're going to take it for a ride. So I'm going to go ahead and fire it up and show you all the signals and everything work. All the lights, everything works. Dash lights, everything's on it. So push the starter button. There's the horn. Left signal, right signal, high low B, high low B. Again, the brake lights work. Brake lights lights, as well as the front lever brake light works as well. Tail lights on. There's the signals, there's the right, there's the left. Anyways, all the electrics work perfectly on this bike. And she runs nice, idles nice. It takes a minute to warm up, but it starts instantly. And I'll take it for a drive around the block. A little cold here in western Pennsylvania today. High, low beam, neutral light, all that. Bike sits and idles very nice. No smoke. It does show 44,849 miles. I believe that to be correct. I have no idea if the motor's ever been worked on, but it does run very nice and everything works. This bike's ready to ride and enjoy. That's it. That's a wrap.